Hi, this is Pierre Gall, live from CES. I would like to present to you Kamea, which is our first IoT platform. This IoT platform integrates all the needed features for equipment manufacturers to connect their device, including device provisioning, data collection, remote control, over-the-air updates. We have a very specific business model as we are delivering a source code to our customers to avoid the vendor locking effect that you can have with some SaaS platform. In your device management system integrated into Kamea, you are able to configure the communication channel, the device type, the GPS position, and we also integrate a lot of features like metadata to add additional information to your device, configuration to allow remote management of your device, but we also display the telemetry coming from the device to the cloud. On top of this core platform, you will be able to build your own service. This service could be monitoring dashboard, remote control, enhanced maintenance, or whatever you want. The global concept of Kamea is to offer you the way to build your service on top of the product.